I'm Jim Ring. I'm half owner of the Ring Brothers.
I'm Mike Ring, the other half owner of the Ring Brothers.
You know, we started a long time ago actually just restoring cars.
When you go to a show and try to judge a car on a restoration, it was about what was wrong with the car, never about what was right. That's why we started cutting cars apart and doing what we thought was cool.
The 69 Camaro we have behind us, actually the name of the car is G-code.
G-code is really a language that, you know, our computers talk to our machines with. It's SolidWorks CAM to the mill.
With all of the machining that went into this car, almost every single component, we thought it was appropriate to call this car G-code. You know, that's kind of a testament to what these tools can do for you. The ability to be able to sit down and draw something out at your desk, walk it over to Matt, have him draw it in SolidWorks, and then create that physical part by the time you get in the next morning is just really cool.
SolidWorks helps me with the process from idea to actual product, because it's not just a 3D program, it's not just a CAM program, it's all one. It's so smooth to make changes.
Our first hinge we ever manufactured was for a 69 Camaro. We decided to make a precision part with the use of SolidWorks and SolidWorks CAM that would allow this hood to go to the same spot every time. This hinge was developed to not only solve a problem that we had with the way they closed, but it also solved the problem that they actually wanted to look at them.
SolidWorks CAM's tolerance-based machining makes the process from getting that idea out there, we can be quickly clicking on our dimensions and actually applying where we're going to press a bearing, where a thread point's going to be. So when we open and close that hinge, it's going to be right where it needs to be without binding. It's literally just clicking buttons and we're going on to the next part very quickly. I'm new to machining within the last year and a half. Without knowledge-based machining, bringing 1,000 parts in-house would be nearly impossible. You know, I'm not just learning SolidWorks CAM, it's learning me and the way that we do things here at Ring Brothers.
A lot of the reasons we make our own parts here is because we feel that we can't find the quality and the look we're after. That truly was the start of our parts business, because I felt we were making stuff that people really wanted and we were making quality products. We're after the wow factor and the fact that they work. Precision. It's like a watch, you know, we're building automotive jewelry.
We're trying to build a brand, you know. At the end of the day, we want to have Ring Brothers be known as the Gucci of the aftermarket industry. And we really strive to not only have something that looks good, but that really works too.
For us, this is a new beginning, and with the help of SolidWorks, I think we're actually building a lot cooler stuff.